Welcome to my channel, Skyward Stories. If she suddenly pulls away, don't panic, don't block her, don't beg her, because the moment you do this one thing, she'll start chasing you again, and this time she won't even realize why. Yeah, I'm serious. There's a psychological reason this works, and I'll explain exactly how in just a minute. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel where we talk about attraction, confidence, and mastering your mindset in relationships. Today, we're diving into one of the most powerful psychological shifts a man can make when a woman starts pulling away or losing interest. See, most guys make one of two mistakes when this happens. They block her, thinking that'll make her miss him, or they beg for her attention, hoping she'll come back. But both of those moves come from neediness, not power. What I'm about to show you flips that script completely. It's about reclaiming your energy in a way that makes her feel your absence instead of hearing your complaints. So if you've ever been ghosted, ignored, or left unread, stay with me till the end because I'm going to walk you through 5 powerful mindset shifts that make her chase you. 1. The emotional reset. Detach without disappearing. Most men think they need to vanish completely for a woman to notice their worth. But here's the truth. You don't have to disappear to be missed. Let me tell you a quick story. One of my coaching clients, Jason, was dating this girl who suddenly went cold. She stopped replying fast, stopped making plans. You core psychological principle, scarcity versus value. Know the drill. Jason panicked. He wanted to block her to protect his ego. But instead I told him, do nothing. Just pull back your emotional investment. And guess what happened? Within a week, she texted him, hey, how have you been? Why? Because emotional detachment is magnetic. When you stop chasing, a woman's mind naturally starts wondering, wait, why isn't he reacting? It's human psychology. Scarcity creates value. Here's what you do. Don't text her first for a bit. If she reaches out, respond warmly but briefly. Focus all your attention on yourself, your goals, your friends, your body, your purpose. When your life looks full and happy without her, she subconsciously starts asking herself where she fits in that picture. That's when she starts to chase. 2. The energy shift. Silence speaks louder than words. Here's a secret. Silence is 10 times louder than pleading. Every time you double text, over-explain, or try to convince her why she should stay, you drain your masculine energy. But when you stay calm, composed, and quiet, she feels it. Think about it. You ever notice how the most attractive guys aren't always the ones who talk the most? They're the ones who can sit in silence without feeling awkward. That calm, grounded energy tells her, I don't need your attention to feel good about myself. And trust me, women can feel that difference instantly. So the next time she pulls away, instead of sending a long what happened message, do this. Say nothing. Focus on something productive. Let the silence do the work because silence builds curiosity and curiosity makes her chase. 3. The mirror effect. Reflect her energy. Don't exceed it. Here's where most guys lose the game. They give more energy than they receive. If she texts once, they send 5 messages back. If she gives 10%, they give 100%. That imbalance kills attraction. Here's what to do instead. Mirror her. If she gives you short replies, you give short replies. If she takes hours to respond, you take hours too. Not to play games, but to reflect where she's at emotionally. When you do this, something interesting happens. She starts realizing you're no longer chasing, and that's when the attraction reactivates. Women are emotional mirrors. When she feels your pull back, it triggers her desire to restore the connection. This works because it shifts the dynamic. She stops being the prize, and suddenly you become the one she needs to win back. Now you've learned how to emotionally reset, stay silent, and mirror her energy. But these are just the foundation. So now you've pulled back, you've gone silent, and you've stopped giving her free attention. She's starting to feel your absence. And guess what? That's exactly when the magic begins because now we're entering the most powerful part of this whole strategy. How to re-engage in a way that flips the dynamic and makes her chase you. No blocking, no begging, just pure calm confidence. Let's get into it. 4. The re-engagement window. Timing is everything. Here's where 90% of men mess up. They break silence too soon. You've got to give her space to feel your absence. Think of it like this. Attraction is like a rubber band. The more you stretch it by pulling away, the stronger it snaps back when you reappear. But if you run back too early, the tension dies. So how do you know when it's time? Simple. Watch for subtle signs. She starts viewing your stories again, likes your posts after ignoring you for days, randomly texts you something simple like, hey, or what's up. That's her testing the waters. Her behaviors that create attraction do this not that way of saying, are you still emotionally available? And that's your moment to re-engage, not with emotion, but with presence. You don't say, where have you been? Or I missed you. Instead, you keep it cool. Hey, good to hear from you. How have you been? Short, casual, confident. It's not what you say that matters. It's the energy behind it. You're showing that you've moved on mentally, but you're open to connection if she earns it. That's what flips the dynamic. 5, the subtle flex. Show, don't tell. Now listen, women notice everything. Your tone, your vibe, your lifestyle. If you've been using your silence wisely, improving your fitness, hanging with friends, diving into goals, now's the time to let her see that. Post naturally, not to show off, but to radiate growth. You don't need a picture saying, look at me, I'm doing great. You let your actions say it for you. For example, a story at the gym, a clip laughing with friends, a subtle photo of you at a cafe, reading or working. What happens next is psychological. She starts thinking, wait, he looks happy without me. Did he move on? That emotional contrast makes her chase your attention again because attraction isn't built by words. It's built by the emotional impact you leave behind. 6, the mystery effect. Give her something to wonder about. Here's a hard truth. Familiarity kills attraction. If she feels she knows everything about you, there's no thrill left. So, you need to bring mystery back into the dynamic. When she asks what you've been up to, don't give her a full report. If she says, you've been quiet lately, reply with something like, yeah, I've been focusing on some new things. It's been good, short, calm, intriguing. You're giving her just enough to wonder what new things. What's he been doing? Who's he been seeing? Mystery pulls her back emotionally. It makes her chase clarity because when she can't quite figure you out, she feels drawn in. And that's exactly where you want her. Chasing answers, chasing energy, chasing you. 7, the reversal. Let her invest again. Here's where the game flips completely. Once she's reaching out, liking your stuff, or even flirting again, don't rush. Let her do the work. You see, in every relationship dynamic, whoever invests more cares more. So let her start asking the questions. Let her initiate the next hangout. If she says, we should catch up sometime, you reply, yeah, maybe, let's see when I'm free. That's not arrogance, that's self-worth. You're no longer trying to win her over. You're showing that you communication examples. What to say and what not to say are the prize. Because when a woman realizes she could lose you, that's when her attraction skyrockets. So let's recap. You didn't block her, you didn't beg, you simply stepped back, centered yourself, and let your energy do the talking. And that's what high-value men do. They don't chase women. They attract them by living with purpose, peace, and power. When you master that, you'll never have to get her back because the right woman will always feel pulled toward that kind of energy. If you found this helpful, drop a fire emoji in the comments to let me know you're done chasing and focused on becoming the man she chases. And tell me what's the biggest mistake you've made when she started pulling away. I read every comment and I might feature your story in my next video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the bell. Because next week's video is going to be powerful. I'm breaking down the text formula that makes her miss you instantly. Trust me, you'll want to catch, subscribe, the channel, and bell icon. Thanks for watching.